How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode we're going to be going on a little walk into the garden and I'll show you the next garden plan we've got in place. That's going to involve a pond, which is going to be pretty awesome and fun to do. Never built a pond or made a pond before, but me and my girlfriend are going to try it. So first we're going to go outside and we're going to decide the shape of the pond. So my girlfriend's got the spade ready and let's go.
We'll make a first dig, I reckon.
Yeah.
But slightly in front of the marker, because then if we make a mistake on the shape. Also, you notice this really cool double layered daisy. Pretty cool.
Yeah, compared to a normal one.
Yeah. It's a little bit bad now. Digging in here. This is such foggy. You can hear it squelching.
Should make it easier to dig, hopefully.
You can hear that.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't go down. There's the concrete they were talking about.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, we might find out now. Oh no, sorry worm.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, this looks like great soil to be fair.
Yeah. On a worm rescue mission as well. And they can go in the compost bin.
Oh, it's black almost.
Yeah, that's some good soil. It's awkward with one hand. Hey.
Ah! Put myself on the bird feeder.
Oh no.
What is this?
I'm not sure. So here's the pond idea. You can see the shape of it. We're going to have a bridge here. Yeah, made a good little start on it so far.
Kind of gonna have like a waterfall type thing coming down here somewhere, because we'll be sitting down here. Right, man?
Yeah.
A little person sitting down.
Nice.
Actually, if we turn this way, you can kind of see what I mean, because you can see the pond in the background, the area that it's going to be in. So, obviously, pond is going to be here, and then up here is going to be a little bit of a waterfall of some sort, and then the line here is this part. If you imagine up here, there's going to be some palm trees, and we're going to put a bamboo trellis and have an archway, much like in here. And then along this part, we're going to have this sort of attempt at a still water wildlife area next to sort of the bridge. And then around here is going to be a little pathway, because we're going to have a water butt next to our eventual shed, which will replace the composter, which, as you can see, the magpies have started to nibble on and eat all the bread.
Evil magpies. They made a hole
They're
here.
destroyed.
As you can see, I'm not digging too deeply yet because we want to be able to visualise what it looks like before we get too carried away.